Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure customer retention with Zendesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure customer retention with Zendesk, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin Center by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, locate the section labeled Customer Management. Under Customer Management, select Tags to create new tags. It's important to create tags that reflect the behaviors and characteristics of your customer base, such as loyal, high value, or at risk. Set the conditions for your trigger based on the tags you've created. For example, if a customer's interaction results in a high value tag, you can set the action to send a personalized follow-up email. Remember to test your triggers to ensure they work as intended. Next, visit the Satisfaction Ratings section to enable customer feedback mechanisms. You can customize your survey questions to gather meaningful insights regarding customer satisfaction. After configuring your surveys, navigate to the Reports section to analyze customer feedback data. Focus on metrics like customer satisfaction scores and net promoter scores to assess retention. Utilize this data to identify trends in customer behavior and points of potential churn. Consider integrating customer support channels, such as live chat and email, to build comprehensive engagement. Create proactive outreach initiatives for those customers tagged as at risk. Develop a reward program for your loyal customers to ensure your customer support team is trained to recognize and respond appropriately to different customer categories. Lastly, review and adjust your strategies regularly based on feedback and performance metrics. This will help you to continually evolve your customer retention efforts within Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.